Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming my after dinner cleaning routine. So this is something that I do every day, so I hope you guys get motivated and enjoy this video. So as you can see, the first thing I do, I put the dirty plates in the sink. Then I go ahead and spray my table mats with my multi-purpose spray that I made with vinegar, Dawn dish soap, and essential oils. And right after that, I go ahead and clean and spray my table with the same multi-purpose spray.
And we could be together, baby, as long as skies are blue. You act so innocent now.
And I don't know if you guys noticed, but while I clean, I also love watching YouTubers clean.
To my heartbeats.
After I'm done cleaning my table, I love putting my humidifier with some essential oils. Right after that, I go ahead and sweep. I think to me the easier way is to start in the living room, because that way I can go ahead after that and go to the kitchen, and if my family wants to come and hang out in the living room, it's already clean.
As long as skies are blue, you act so innocent now, but you lied so soon. When I met you in the summer,
even though my apartment is small, I really wish I can clean this fast in real life. So every day after dinner, I have to really clean my couch with this roller. It picks up any hair or any dirt that it has, because I have a cat and she loves jumping on my couch. So I make sure it's clean if we want to watch any movies or hang out.
when I met you in the summer.
Guys, I'm loving these songs I picked for this video. I really hope you guys love it too. And look at my baby. She always loves watching me clean. Doesn't she look cute?
They say Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. But they're out like Somo, cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on. No, they don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand.
Alright, I'm all done with the living room. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean all of my dirty dishes.
Forever, but I will remember when I met you in the summer, and I came to your town. We fell in love, and we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby, but I gotta leave soon. And everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summer, met you in the summertime with your fine ass. Merlin in that wine glass. She dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy. And she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad to know. Cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just tryna party, live too fast to take it slow. Got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me in that time I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love, then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby, but I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening.
What's easier for me to do is watch the smaller stuff first and then finish it up with the bigger ones.
You in the summer.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time.
Please, ladies, make sure you drink your water while you're cleaning because it gets really hot.
It was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth.
I love cleaning my stove with the Dawn dish soap and I like leaving it there for a few minutes.
I drive from your place, miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call our bluff, cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. We keep playing games, can't go separate ways, break up all the same. We keep playing games, can't go separate ways, break up all the same. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try.
I'm so glad I'm almost done because this was one of the longest after dinner cleaning routines for me because I had some extra stuff to clean.
Just send me a message and I'll come searching for you. You know I do tell me what you wanna know. No need to rush, just take it slow. Let it all out, just lose control. Let's get excited, I will never let you go. Let's make a night of it, I will never do you wrong. It's time to decide it, we stay up to the morning light. In the moment, nothing matters.
I always have to make sure that the water comes out of the dish drying rack.
I'll be everything you need, and I'll let you guide me to where you are, whatever it takes. I'll take whatever we make, 'cause you make my heart ache, and I'm not leaving tonight. I'll show you the way to go. I'll never let you be alone. Come with me, then you'll know. Take my hand and lose control. Let's get excited, I will never let you go. Let's make a night of it, I will never do you wrong. It's time to decide it, we stay up to the morning light. In the moment, nothing matters but tonight.
Alright guys, that's it for this after dinner cleaning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it, but also that this video motivates you guys to clean. So thank you so much for watching, and if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye.